The Camino de Santiago, an epic journey across breathtaking landscapes steeped in history and spirituality. But to truly embrace this adventure, you need to be prepared. Just like venturing into the wild, success on the Camino relies on having the right gear. That's why I'm here to share my ultimate packing list, designed to equip you for the challenges and triumphs that lie ahead. We're talking essential tools and gear that will keep you going strong, no matter what the Camino throws your way. Remember, every item in your pack should be as tough and reliable as the spirit you bring to this incredible journey. So, let's get you kitted out and ready to conquer the Camino. Out here, your backpack is your lifeline. It's got to be as tough as the terrain you're covering. We're talking about a pack that can handle the weight of your world for miles on end without breaking your back. Look for a pack with a sturdy frame and a hip belt. This will distribute the weight evenly and save your shoulders from unnecessary strain. Trust me, after a long day's trek, you'll be thanking me for this. Remember, you're not packing for a luxury cruise, you're packing for survival. Choose a pack that's around 40 liters, big enough to carry the essentials, but not so big. It weighs you down. And one more thing, make sure it's got plenty of compartments. You need to be able to access your gear quickly and efficiently. A well-organized pack is a happy pack. So choose wisely, my friend. Your backpack is your constant companion on this journey. Make sure it's up to the challenge. Blisters, the hiker's worst enemy, and believe me, I've seen some nasty ones in my time. That's why choosing the right hiking boots is absolutely non-negotiable. We're talking boots that fit like a second skin, providing support and protection every step of the way. Remember, you'll be covering some serious ground on the Camino, so your feet are your most valuable asset. Look for boots with good ankle support and a sturdy sole that can handle a variety of terrains. And here's a pro tip, break them in before you go. Don't even think about setting off on the Camino with a brand new pair of boots. Wear them around town on hikes, even to the grocery store if you have to. Get your feet used to them. It'll save you a whole lot of pain and discomfort in the long run. And trust me, your feet will thank you for it. The Camino can throw anything at you. One minute you're basking in glorious sunshine, the next you're battling wind and rain. That's why layering is key. Pack lightweight, breathable clothing that you can easily add or remove as the weather changes. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer to keep you dry, then add an insulating layer like a fleece or down jacket. And don't forget a waterproof and windproof outer shell. Think of it as your armor against the elements. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are also essential for protection from the sun. Remember, it's always better to be over-prepared than caught out in the cold, and a little bit of preparation can make all the difference when it comes to enjoying the Camino to the fullest. After a long day on the trail, you're going to need a good night's sleep. But remember, you're carrying everything on your back, so weight is a major factor. That's why I recommend a lightweight sleeping bag that packs down small. Look for one that's rated for spring temperatures, as you don't want to be carrying around unnecessary bulk. A sleeping bag liner is also a great addition. It adds an extra layer of warmth and can be easily washed, which is a bonus when you're on the road. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for recovery and will ensure you're ready to tackle the challenges of the day ahead. So don't skimp on your sleep system. Choose wisely and wake up feeling refreshed and energized for the journey ahead. Out here, water is your lifeline. Staying hydrated is absolutely crucial, especially when you're pushing your body to the limit. Carry a durable, reusable water bottle with you at all times and refill it whenever you get the chance. There are plenty of fountains and cafes along the Camino where you can top up. And here's a little trick I learned from my expeditions. Add electrolyte tablets or powder to your water to replace essential minerals lost through sweat. Trust me, it makes a world of difference in preventing dehydration and keeping your energy levels up. Remember, hydration is not just about quenching your thirst, it's about fueling your body and mind for the journey ahead. Accidents happen, it's all part of the adventure, but being prepared can make all the difference. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential for dealing with minor injuries and ailments on the go. Pack essentials like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers and blister treatment, and don't forget any personal medications you require. It's also a good idea to pack insect repellent, sunscreen and hand sanitizer. Remember, your first aid kit is your safety net. It gives you the peace of mind to know that you can handle minor medical situations and keep going. A good multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. It's an incredibly versatile piece of equipment that can come in handy in countless situations. From fixing a broken backpack strap to opening a stubborn bottle of wine at the end of a long day, a multi-tool is your ultimate problem solver. Look for one with a sharp knife, pliers, a screwdriver, and a can opener. These are just a few of the essential functions that will come in handy on the Camino. Trust me, a multi-tool is worth its weight in gold. It's a small investment that could save you a lot of hassle in the long run. The Camino is an ancient path, but it's always a good idea to have a map and guidebook handy. They provide valuable information on the route, distances between towns, and points of interest along the way. While there's a certain sense of adventure in getting lost, a map and guidebook can be invaluable for staying on track and making sure you reach your destination safely. Plus, they often contain fascinating insights into the history and culture of the Camino, enriching your experience even further. Don't rely solely on your phone for navigation. Battery life can be unpredictable, and you don't want to be caught out in the middle of nowhere with a dead phone. Hiking is hungry work. You'll be burning a lot of calories on the Camino, so it's important to keep your energy levels up with regular snacks and meals. Pack lightweight, high-energy snacks like trail mix, nuts, dried fruit, and energy bars. These will provide you with a much-needed boost when you're feeling fatigued. Remember to listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. Don't wait until you're completely drained to refuel. Safety first. Always carry personal identification and important documents with you at all times. This includes a copy of your passport, visa, if required, and any other relevant travel documents. It's also a good idea to make photocopies of your documents and keep them separate from your originals. In case of an emergency, having easy access to this information can be invaluable. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Keep your documents secure in a waterproof pouch or money belt to protect them from the elements and potential theft. So there you have it, my friend, the essential gear that will equip you for the incredible journey ahead. Remember, packing light is key, but don't compromise on quality or safety. Choose gear that's durable, reliable, and up to the challenge of the Camino. With the right preparation, you'll be ready to embrace everything this ancient path has to offer. Now get out there, step into the unknown, and discover the transformative power of the Camino de Santiago. Buen camino!